In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover X Twitter username. First, you will want to open the X sign-in page. This is where the process begins. Take a moment to locate the web address for the sign-in page. You can do this by typing x.com into your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar sign-in form. This is the gateway to recovering your username. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid any security risks. It is crucial to start from the correct page, as this ensures you are following the right procedures for account recovery. Next, try signing in with the email address associated with your account instead of your username. This step is vital because many users forget their usernames but remember their email addresses. Type your email into the designated field. After entering it, click the Sign In button. If your email is linked to an account, you will either gain access or receive a prompt to proceed further. This step helps you bypass the need for a username, streamlining your recovery experience. If needed, select the Forgot Password option. This is commonly found right below the sign-in fields. Clicking this link is an essential part of the recovery process. It indicates to X that you need help accessing your account. You will be directed to a new page where further instructions will be provided. Remember, this option is there to assist you if you're unable to recall your login details. It's reassuring to know that help is just a click away, and this step can lead you back to your account. Now, enter your email address or phone number in the field provided. This is how X will identify your account and send you recovery instructions. Make sure to use the same email or phone number linked to your account. After you enter this information, check it for accuracy before proceeding. This step is crucial for receiving the recovery link or code. You should feel confident that you are taking the right steps toward regaining access. Follow the recovery prompts to locate and regain access to your account. This may involve checking your email or messages for a verification code or link. Once you receive the necessary information, follow the instructions closely. You might have to reset your password or confirm your identity. Take your time during this process, as it is important to ensure your account's security. Completing these prompts helps secure your account and ensures that only you can regain access. As a helpful tip, if you're still signed in on another device, open your profile to see your @username. This can be a quick way to recover your username without going through the entire process. Simply look for your profile picture or name and you should see your username displayed prominently. This little step saves you a lot of time later and provides a quick reference if you need to recall it for any reason. Following these steps carefully will lead you back to your account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to X support for further assistance. With patience and attention to detail, you will successfully recover your account. Thank you for watching and good luck with your recovery.